So you want San Carlos because you want more space, more privacy, and a whole lot less of that typical townhome feel. I think I found your unicorn, more than 1,600 square foot, perched up at the top of a community that most people don't even know is here. With all this parked outside your front door, and wait till you see what happens on the inside. You see what I mean? Remodeled kitchen, multiple updated living spaces, dual ensuite bedrooms, even the option for a bonus third, and an attached 2-car garage. This might just be the perfect townhome for somebody that wasn't even looking for a townhome.